In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with HubSpot. Integrating Zapier and HubSpot can streamline many of your business processes by automating workflows and creating seamless connections between different apps, saving you both time and effort. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Zapier homepage. Once you're there, locate the Zap button. This is your gateway to creating a new automation, or as Zapier calls it, a Zap. Clicking on it will get you started on building your process. Now, once you're in the Zap editor, the next thing you need to do is select a trigger. Triggers are crucial because they set the automation in motion. Look for the option allowing you to configure a trigger. In the search bar, type in HubSpot. What's happening here is you're specifying that HubSpot will be the source of the data used to kick off this automation. Once HubSpot is selected, proceed by choosing the specific event that will trigger your workflow. For this example, we're going to select Company Recently Created or Updated. This selection means anytime there's activity related to company updates in HubSpot, your automation process will be triggered. Next, you'll need to connect your HubSpot account to Zapier. Look out for the Connect HubSpot option and follow through by authorizing Zapier to access your HubSpot account. You might be prompted to sign into your HubSpot account. Simply enter your credentials or choose to sign in with Google if that's preferable. Follow any additional prompts to successfully link your HubSpot data with Zapier. Once the integration is in place, return to Zapier and you might see an option that asks you to choose which account you'd like to use. If necessary, select your preferred account here. Following this, confirm the connection is complete. After connecting, you'll find yourself back on the Zapier editor interface. Look for the Configure button and click on it. This allows you to set any additional settings specific to your needs. Next, you'll have the option to select a specific value for your configuration, something that aligns with what you want to be triggered or managed through this Zap. Now, before you finalize everything, it's crucial to ensure that everything works as intended. Locate and select the Test option within the trigger setup. This step is all about validating that your desired process behaves correctly when activated. Finally, there's one last button labeled Test Trigger. Clicking this will execute the test cycle of the trigger, verifying that all aspects of your Zap are functioning as you intended. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up an integration between Zapier and HubSpot. This powerful combination can help automate numerous tasks, making your marketing funnel more efficient and effective. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video for more helpful tutorials.